Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Microsoft Word add-in and restore LinkedIn resume formatting. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall a Microsoft Word add-in, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Microsoft Word is open, click on the File tab located in the top left corner. In the side menu, select Options to access the Word Options dialog. In the Word Options dialog, click on Add-ins from the list on the left side. Here, you'll see a list of installed add-ins. At the bottom of the window, there is a Manage drop-down menu. Select COM add-ins from the drop-down menu and click Go. In the COM add-ins dialog, you will see all the active add-ins. Locate the add-in you wish to uninstall and uncheck its box. Click the Remove button to uninstall the selected add-in. After uninstalling, click OK to exit the COM add-ins dialog. Now, close the Word Options dialog by clicking OK again. To restore LinkedIn resume formatting, open the LinkedIn page in your web browser. Navigate to your profile and locate the More button. Click on Build a Resume. Choose a job title that interests you. LinkedIn will generate a resume based on your profile information. You can customize the content as needed. Once satisfied, download the resume in a Word format. Open the downloaded Word file. Verify that the formatting appears as desired. If needed, make further adjustments in Microsoft Word. Your LinkedIn resume should now be restored with proper formatting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.